What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another episode of That Savage Kitchen. And today we are doing a brand new series. I don't know what to call it yet, but we are going to be taking two different foods, which one is going to be a base and then one's going to be the food item. And we are going to mash them together to make one item and do a collide. If y'all enjoy this series, make sure y'all leave a like, comment down below. I gotta try something new on this channel, I really do, and express that creative side that I do have. Because making recipes is cool, but you can get tired of it real quick. So I got my phone right here. We're gonna do the spin the wheel app. So I click my spin the wheel app, and as you can see, I have the items and the food. So I got the base and the items. And now that we clicked on the base, as you can see, all the foods that I have. If y'all have any ideas, comment down below. And if y'all have a name for this, comment down below. So I spun a muffin. So I gotta turn something into a muffin in shape, size, or form, whatever. So we're gonna go to the other one, a muffin, bro. What am I gonna do? Bro, I'm kind of scared. What am I gonna get? I got pizza, burritos, donuts, burgers. This is gonna be weird. So we're gonna spin it. What I got? Ramen. I gotta make ramen muffins. So I gotta turn that ramen into a muffin. Without further ado, let's get those ingredients and I'll be back. All right, you guys, so as y'all saw, we went to the store, we got all our ingredients. Oh no, y'all already know my black butt had to get some chicken ramen. But chicken ramen is the best flavor. Then we gonna add in some unagi. Huh? And I'm actually not gonna add it, I forgot. And also, this is not unagi. Unagi is eel, this is nori. But I'm trying to be extra, trying to say it in Japanese. Just say seaweed, AKA seaweed. Just to make it look nice. We got some other stuff like some chicken bouillon, some ghost peppers for some reason, some lard, but we're also gonna make our homemade broth. Gotta add mushrooms to your broth always. So what I showed y'all was gonna be for the broth because I'm gonna take the ramen, form it into muffins, obviously, and I'm just gonna have a dipping sauce, which is the broth. All right, so you're gonna need a pot, obviously. Y'all know how to make ramen. So we got our pot. And you already know we got the chicken flavors. Y'all know the chicken flavor ramen. And we just gonna cook this like normal. Y'all know how to cook ramen.
Wait, my boy, where's the water?
Y'all know how to make ramen.
You saying everyone knows how to cook ramen except for you, I guess. Boy, you need to boil the water first. I out flame you, big head boy.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do 3 packets. I'm gonna save my packets for the side because I ain't gonna add that in right now. And that's not how you do it. This pan kind of small. But what my plan is I'm gonna take the ramen, I'm gonna cook it, and then I'm gonna add some eggs to it so I can make it like a binder. So it's glued together, so when I put it in the oven, it doesn't all just... Where add your water? Oh!
You finally remember, you idiot.
All right, first of all,
boil your water first.
I don't know what I was doing. It's gonna take some time, but we almost there. Now, we're gonna put it back. We're just gonna let that cook for a little bit. Let that come to a boil. So bring up your temperature, put a lid on it, add a little bit of salt. Put that salt in your water and bring it to a boil. The water came to a boil, as you can see. Adding your ramen, I'm just gonna add 3 of them. Just like that. Put that lid back on, let it cook for 6 minutes. All right, so exactly 6 minutes just went by. We got our ramen. We gonna drain our water. When y'all make ramen, do y'all leave a little bit of water or no water? I keep it with no water, but that's how I like it. We're gonna take our ramen, drain it. Since I added 3 packets of ramen, we're gonna add, we're gonna add 3 eggs. Them packets I told you set aside, now we're about to use them. So use all 3 of them. This is gonna be our seasoning. Yeah. That gets you your fork. We're just gonna mix that up. All right. So after we mix everything up, it should look like some Alfredo. I ain't gonna lie, it looks super creamy. It look good, I ain't gonna lie. But so we have it like this. If you wanna add any other seasonings, you can, but we're gonna keep it classic. We got that, we're gonna set this aside. And then we have our mold pan. So we can't make muffins without a muffin tin, obviously. When we get our tin, we're gonna add some oil so our ramen doesn't stick to it. I'm using sesame oil because I feel like that goes with ramen. But I wanna know, are you guys making this recipe with me?
No.
So we're gonna take our ramen. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below. If y'all have any ideas or any food items that y'all want me to put on the wheel that I didn't put on, make sure y'all tell me in the comments. But we're gonna take our ramen and we're gonna put it, I don't even know how much.
Nice.
We're gonna fill each 10 up. These filled up 10. And look at this boy, super hungry and always asking for food. He does nothing and brings nothing to the table, but always asking for food. Like, get out my face. After this, we're gonna put it in our oven for about 8 minutes. I'm really gonna watch it. We're gonna see from there. We're looking for it to become brown and a little crispy on top. But after we put this in our oven, I'm gonna teach y'all how to make y'all's own homemade ramen. Super quick and super delicious. Place that thing in your preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 177 degrees Celsius for 8 minutes. And yeah, let's work on that broth. Now I'm gonna show you how to make this delicious broth. So first what you're gonna need is a pot. So get you a pot and we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of some minced ginger. If you don't have that, then you're gonna have to grate that yourself. Don't be lazy, it is gonna take a while. Next, we're gonna add 3 teaspoons of some sliced scallions. After we added those 2 things, we're gonna add 3 tablespoons of that soy sauce. Then we're gonna add 3 teaspoons of some bouillon powder. And if you don't have that, just take some bouillon and we just gonna mince it up just like that. It is super simple. Next, we're gonna add 1.5 teaspoon of lard, and you're gonna need a fat for this. So that's why we're using lard. Now we're gonna take 3 cups of water. Shout out to the YouTube channel Way of Ramen for this recipe. It's super easy and it's super good. Also added some shiitake mushrooms to finish it off, and that is it for your broth. You need eggs in your ramen, so I'm gonna show you how to make this soft boiled egg super quick. First, take your eggs in some boiling water and don't let them crack like this. As you can see, look, I noticed I'm gonna back that thing up and we're gonna pull that egg out. But we're gonna add our eggs in gently just like that, and we're gonna let that cook for 6 minutes. After they cook for 6 minutes, put it in some ice and we're gonna let that chill real quick. Take the shells off and look at that. It looks like mozzarella, but as soon as we cut into it, look at this thing. Ooh, perfect. That is how you make some soft boiled eggs, and it's gonna be delicious in our ramen. Our broth is done, our eggs are done. Now it's time to get our ramen out the oven. Now, as you can see, we got the final product, and to me, it looks very gorgeous to me. But we also gotta add in our egg. Can't forget that. A little more chives on top. I love eggs, so I'm gonna take my ramen. Let's give that a little dip first, then add in our egg. That's fire, I ain't gonna lie. It tastes exactly like ramen, obviously because it is ramen, but it tastes like traditional ramen with the homemade broth, soft boiled egg. If you on the go, it's very portable as you can see. And I don't know, is this a pass or not? Like, y'all give me the points, because it's kind of like a muffin, but not really. But this is the first video. We have more to go. If y'all like this video, make sure y'all like, comment down below. Tell me if you want to see more videos like this where I spin the wheel, combine 2 different foods and see how it comes out. And I think this thing worked. I think I passed on this, I ain't gonna lie. But hey, that's it for the video. Other than that, I'm out.